Used car buyers are being defrauded, according to new research from CARFAX.com. In our digital age where technology seems foolproof, there's a deceptive practice on the rise. Odometer rollback. Yes, you heard me right. Despite digital advancements, odometer fraud isn't just persisting, it's thriving. Recent studies reveal a startling 7% increase in vehicles with altered odometer readings. That's just compared to last year. This isn't a small-time scam, it's a whopping 1.9 million vehicles nationwide, a number that should give any car buyer anxiousness. Imagine this, you buy a car thinking it's gently used, only to find that you've lost an average of $4,000 in value. That's not just a hit to your wallet, it's an unforeseen burden of maintenance costs. All because the true car history was masked. Where is this happening? Everywhere. And there are hotspots. 5 states lead the dubious chart where this practice is more common than you might think. Leading the nation is California, with around 437,000 vehicles that have odometer fraud. That's up 2%. The other hotspots include Texas, up 15%, New York, up 4%, Florida, up a massive 12%, and Illinois, up 5%. Now the repercussions echo beyond just the buyer's remorse. It affects your car loan and your insurance premiums, effectively turning your investment into a financial pit. For those ensnared by this deceit, the road to justice is long and arduous, often requiring legal battles and a sea of red tape. But it's not all doom and gloom. You, the customer, can arm yourself, question the seller, get a mechanic's expert eyes on any used car, and use resources like CARFAX Odometer Check. It's about being vigilant and about being informed. And that's the reason why we're getting the word out. An informed consumer can stop this happening. For those that have fallen prey to this scam, know that each state offers a beacon of hope, but the journey varies from state to state. In a world where digital was supposed to mean reliable, odometer fraud stands as a stark reminder technology, like anything else, can be manipulated. As consumers, our best defense is awareness and action.
I'm Nick Miles.